Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can manipulate and use or edit the gallery view in Notion. And yeah, let's get right into it. First and foremost, Notion is a text editing app, which is a very simplified way of viewing it. It is an application which you can use for a lot of different purposes, such as creating your own documents, writing your own journal, using a calendar, making a task list or a to-do list, etc., etc. There is a lot of different uses for this. However, as I've said in this tutorial, I will be showing you guys how you can create a gallery and a gallery view. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, you can create a gallery view in a file. This is just a test file that I have created. And by typing /gallery view, as you can see, this is what will come up. Just click on it and it will add a inline gallery view. Here you can add databases, add galleries, add pictures, and etc. And the thing you need to do to set it up is, of course, select a data source. This is just a file on your computer which you can use to actually add your files, and whichever files you add there will show up in your Notion. Now, that's how you do it in a document. However, you can make a completely new page or whatever you want to call it. And as you can see here, you have a lot of templates. By clicking expand the list with the 3 dots, you can click on gallery and you will add a gallery view. This is a page which is just a gallery view in its entirety. Let me just rename it into gallery test. And yeah, as you can see, you can create your own data source. You can select a data source. You can right click and you should be able to add a database here. That disappeared with the renaming this. However, if I create a new one, as you can see, you can select a data source and create a new database, etc. But yeah, that's pretty much how you set it up. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.